I've never imagined I'd be here. The chaos and busyness have made it difficult for me to breathe. Society's expectations make me feel isolated. Everyone feels they are right. Few of them realize what they have done is a mistake. But here, it's different. I feel alive. I've wanted this for a long time, to relieve all the fatigue in my body and mind. I just want to listen to myself, to what I want to do, to where I want to go. That's the reason why I choose to be here. This is a real place where I don't feel stressed, where I don't listen to what others say about me. Here, it's just me and nature. Protecting nature means caring for its precious contents. Protecting nature means being responsible for everything I do to nature. Like water that fills the entire change of life. I need water, and my life depends on water. But sometimes I don't realize that I feel disconnected from water. Do we have to wait until everything's gone and everyone's fighting over it before realizing that we've been careless with water all this time? Let's protect water for our future generations. Water doesn't need humans. Humans need water.